Hello guys, let's talk about this device that you can inspect things using a camera. So this is an industrial device. As you can see here, I have a camera connected to a cable. So let me approach here so you can see better. There's a camera here with lights. So you can insert these in places like vents, like in your car, for example, to inspect things. And there's a long cable, okay, which is connected also to this device where you can power on and off from here, control the light. You can dim the light from here, just turning this knob here. And there's a LED for Wi-Fi when you connect to Wi-Fi, and also here for power, so you can see it's powered. And also here you can charge it and reset it to the factory default, right? So pretty simple. And then you're going to connect this with your cell phone, right? You're gonna sync with your cell phone. So there's no camera here. You're gonna see this on your cell phone. And then it comes with the cable, so you can charge, of course. Pretty good. Some accessories that you can use for this device. And here the user menu, right? So it's a camera, and then has all the information here in the user menu. Pretty good. And here, a quick guide that shows how you can use it, right? So you can inspect, for example, industrial things, or air conditioner, your sink, your car, things like that. And don't use for things like your ears, your mouth, your nose, and dogs or animals in general, right? It's for industrial use, not for personal, not for people, not for animal, right?